Look at your hands right now. If you're a software engineer at a major tech conglomerate, those hands are likely typing code you've spent months perfecting. You have every reason to believe your role is indispensable, but the security of the elite developer is an illusion. At precisely 3:45 in the morning, a silent automation protocol can trigger. This is a 60-millisecond execution. In less time than it takes to blink, your Active Directory credentials vanish, your Slack account is deleted, and repository access is severed. Exactly 2 minutes later, an automated severance contract hits your personal email. There is no HR manager, no exit interview, no final conversation, just a cold algorithmic lockout that ends a career before the sun comes up. Google, Meta, and Amazon publicly attribute these mass departures to global market shifts and macroeconomic corrections. However, the surgical speed of these removals suggests an operational vacuum. If thousands of elite engineers can be purged in milliseconds without the company's infrastructure collapsing, it indicates that the codebase is already being maintained by something other than human hands. The reality hidden behind corporate PR is the deployment of autonomous, multi-agent artificial intelligence networks. These centralized AI ecosystems don't just assist engineers, they act as a replacement workforce. They are a swarm of digital agents capable of writing and maintaining complex code independently. These agents operate by quietly monitoring human efficiency. They track every movement of the engineers still on the payroll, watching how they solve problems and optimize systems. This diagram shows the process in action. The system tracks a human engineer's code commits over time, absorbing the logic behind every update. Once the human optimizes the base infrastructure enough for AI takeover, the algorithm automatically flags that creator for termination. The authorization for these algorithmic firings is driven by a brutal financial reality that no human worker can compete with. These autonomous networks operate at 0.04% of the cost of human labor. Digital agents operate 24 hours a day, require zero equity, and never push back against management. Since 2025, over 140,000 engineers have been permanently removed. To keep the public in the dark, tech conglomerates are hiding the costs of this AI deployment under generic line items in their ledgers, like cloud infrastructure expenses. This allows corporations to frame a mass human replacement event as a routine software upgrade. These 140,000 positions are gone. They are not returning in the next hiring cycle, erased from the corporate structure entirely. The code has evolved to a point where it no longer needs the humans writing it. The infrastructure has achieved enough self-optimization to permanently lock out its creators. The high-tech economy has transitioned from a human-led industry into a closed, machine-driven loop. If your job involves systems engineering or software optimization, you have to ask, are you truly secure, or has the system already identified you as the next efficiency gain? Human labor in the sector is complete. For those still at their desks, the automated system may have already selected your